Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here is another video using pen extension, and here I'm going to make another amazing pattern. So how we can do that? Let's begin. First I will make the big screen and then show you the result. Look at this. This is a very nice, clear and beautiful pattern that you can draw using a sprite on a Scratch. Look at this amazing patterns. So this is how the result looks like. Now, if you like this pattern, there are few steps to follow. So I'm gonna quickly delete this script and let's start from the scratch. So here we go. For drawing anything on Scratch using the sprite, you first have to go down on the left bottom side of your application and there is add sprite button. Click it, then you must add this pen extension that says draw with your sprites. Once you add it, then you will be seeing that all of these pen blocks are being added here. Then you have to delete the sprite and we need to clean up our stage. For that you have to use this erase all block, drag it in your script area, click it once and everything will be clean. Now you can drag it back. First thing to make this pattern is you have to go and choose a sprite. You have lot of options here. For me, I'm going to use a simple cat sprite that I have showed you before. Okay, we will keep it in the middle to start the pattern because the pattern is going to start from the middle. Now, let's make the program over here. For this, you have to go to events and use this when green flag clicked block. This is a very important block because this block will help your program run when you press this green flag. So once you are done with this, then you have to go to pen extension blocks and then there is a erase all block. We will add it just after this green flag clicked block so that everything will be erased if something is already drawn here. Next is your pen down block. Add it so that your pen will be ready to draw. Now you have to use set pen color block and then you can click here to change any of your favorite color. So I will make it pink for this drawing. Next you have to go to control and here I will be using two repeat blocks. So the outer repeat block is going to have 12 iterations and one will be placed inside the repeat block and this is going to have 7 iterations or 7 loops. So here is one my outer repeat loop and one is my inner repeat loop. Now what will be added inside here? So you have to go to motion, use move 10 steps and put it inside your repeat 7 block. Instead of 10 steps, make it 75 for this pattern that I showed you. Then you must use turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise and then change this 15 to 51.42. These numbers are very important so that you can make the same pattern that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Then you have to go to control, use this wait 1 second block. Why I am using that? So that you can see how the pattern will be drawn, but instead of 1 make it 0.1 so that it will take lesser time to draw. Now the last thing is again go to the motion blocks and use turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise, the third one, and place it outside of your inner repeat block. I am again repeating, this last block will be placed inside the repeat 12 block. So you're not gonna place it inside the repeat 7 block. You have to place it outside in the outer repeat loop. So once you are done, be very clear about the last block because if you make a mistake here, then your pattern will look different. Now, once you are done with the script, this is all about today's program. Let me quickly make my screen big. Okay, one more thing. For the outer one, it's not 15, it must be 30, 30. Remember that. So once you are done with all the changes, all the numbers, then you must cross check it, make your screen bigger, then use the green flag and see the result. Look at this one. This is the same pattern that I just showed you in the beginning of the video. It looks amazing and it will just need hardly 5 minutes to make such a beautiful pattern using Sprite on Scratch. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun videos on Scratch. Bye bye. See you in the next video.